Hello, welcome. We're making a fish marinade that you can use in all sorts of fish. And for that, we need water, we need wine, we need vinegar, achiote paste, oregano, cumin powder, salt, 2 cloves of garlic, and mustard. The achiote are seeds that come from a shrub in tropical Central America and southern Mexico and the Caribbean, and is also found in the Amazon. And it has a very mild peppery flavor and scent. So if you want a marinade and a sauce that is mild, this is it. It goes well with chicken, pork, uh, and fish. So you should try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and share. We put all the ingredients together in that container, and we are just going to blend them really well to make the marinade, and we can use it. In this case, I'm going to use it on tilapia. It is, as you know, it is a very thin fish, but it's going to give it a nice flavor, and you only have to marinate it for 2 to 4 hours because it is very thin. For thicker fish, you can leave it overnight. Chaito.